Hi guys, it's Sin with IndieTonic. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stellar product label using Canva and label templates from Indie Label Studio. So the first thing you want to do is choose a label template. Here we're using the Troublemaker candle label, and as you can see, you can customize these labels with your product information and your logo and store information to make it your own. Here we're just going to choose a font and fit the text into the box using the candle name that you prefer. With Indie Label Studio, you can actually change the color, you can change the font so that it's completely on brand for your company. Here you see that we still stuck with the black and white, but we changed it to Rebel Nation to match the company name. Also changing the text to the rebelnation.com, which you can do the same thing to create a very custom label using the design for the Troublemaker candle. And as you can see, this has been customized for Rebel Nation using the Troublemaker template from Indie Label Studio. Now we're actually going to use another one of the templates from Indie Label Studio to create a round candle label for candle tins. So as you can see, you complete the same step of choosing your font of choice, changing the name of the candle to make it your own. We're now going to choose the black version of the same label in Indie Label Studio. And we're actually going to change the font and then the candle name. So far we have 4 different labels that we created using Indie Label Studio. So now we're going to choose the Taste Body Oil template from Indie Label Studio. So all of the body care labels in the studio already include all of the FDA required information, including the description, the directions, also the ingredients. So this is something that you don't have to figure out. You already have those things included on the label. As you can see, we're creating all of those custom elements with the name of the body oil being Boss Body Oil for this company. We've changed the company name to The Boss Cafe and the website being www.thebosscafe.com. Once again, with this template, the design is there, the information is there. You simply customize it according to your brand's information. Once you have created all of those custom elements, you now have a finished label. So once you have finished your designs and you've customized them, it's time to print. You would then attach your finished labels to your products. Here we're using the Troublemaker candle from Indie Market along with the Troublemaker label, and we're just going to attach. Now we have a fully custom product. Each of the templates within Indie Label Studio are fully customizable within Canva, making it incredibly easy to create eye-catching, iconic product labels. Get Indie Label Studio and these templates at www.IndieTonic.com.